You know how people have kids and then they turn 16 and then when they get their driver's license, parents are all like, oh, watch out, they're on the road now. It's kind of, I kind of have that whole same feeling right now.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the RVOne.
Ready?
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty?
Having to walk from the hotel because we couldn't get an Uber. It's like 2 miles to get to the RV spot. Not a nice day. We had to follow in the footsteps of those that have come before. Alright, well, greetings from Altoona, Iowa. A little small town right outside of Des Moines, Iowa. The S's are silent. And today's the day. We're going to go pick up the rig and do our walkthrough. And yeah, well, I guess that's it. So 3 months of planning and preparation and research. Well, maybe not 3 months. I think it was a little less. But a lot of time, a lot of research, a lot of negotiating, a lot of hard work and dedications coming down to what's going to happen today. So we're going to run over to Altoona, Iowa to RVOne and pick up the rig. So let's go. We're having to walk from the hotel because we couldn't get an Uber. So it's like 2 miles to get to the RV spot.
Well, at least it's a nice day for it.
It's not a nice day. Well, I guess it could be worse. It could really be snowing instead of just freezing. How do we get out? Can we get out that way? We had to follow in the footsteps of those that have come before. Whoa. Now what? Where's the button to... Oh, lovely Altoona.
I can check this one off my bucket list now.
I know, you can die happy now. What are you gonna... Oh. Okay, I don't know what the point of that was. So if you're reading my blog about today is a pickup day of the RV, you'll realize that we have some time to kill. And so Paul wants to try the teardrop. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I can sleep in here.
If it's just you, you can kind of do a diagonal too. There's a bigger one over here. Did you see this one? There's another one over there with a bathroom and a kitchen. Let's go see that. A little bigger, a little taller. Where's the... Oh, the bed's over there?
It's actually quite roomy.
That's bigger than the bathroom I had on the boat. So trying to pick up all this stuff, there was a lot of stuff I needed that I couldn't really bring out. So I ordered it on Amazon and had it shipped to the dealership here. And all my boxes, there were 11 of them that came from Amazon here. So we just brought these out, and we've still been waiting here for a little bit. So we got our Domino's lunch, had it delivered here. But the good news is the coach is ready. So we're just taking a 10-minute break or 15-minute little lunch break, and then we're gonna hop on in and do the walkthrough.
Show you what a good time looks like.
I'm ready to go.
Oh. Hold on, I need a moment to gather my...
Which one's the brake? I'm just kidding, I should probably buckle up. I'm ready?
You know how people have kids and then they turn 16 and then when they get their driver's license, parents are all like, oh, watch out, they're on the road now. It's kind of, I kind of have that whole same feeling right now. Hi there. I was calling to find out if you had any openings in your RV park for tonight. Okay, do I just show up or do I need reservations?
You can make your reservation online.
Or can I just show up? Because I'm about an hour away. Is that okay?
You can do that too.
Okay, that's great. I'll just come on by then.
Alright,
Okay, great. Thank you.
thank you.
Okay, so we're getting out a little late out of the RV park or out of the dealership. So it's our first trip. So instead of going the 2 hours or an hour and a half like we planned to Eagle something, there's a RV park at a hotel casino about an hour away. So we're gonna go do that because we just got some drinks and food, but we didn't get like dinner or food, so we can eat there and have our first adventure. So assuming it quits snowing.
We can find our way there.
And we can find them. Well, we got the little happy thingy going on, and you know, I've driven this thing a full 2 blocks now from the dealership, so I'm pretty confident right now.
What could go wrong?
Well, we missed our first exit.
We have one job.
One job. Okay. So you got to make a U-turn. We got to get back onto the 80 north.
Well, maybe
Or-
we can just go down the side street here or something.
No, I'd rather get back onto the
Really?
freeway.
All right, here we go.
Okay, we gotta pick our own spot. Which spot do we want? Is this grass?
I don't know, Captain. It does look like that. No, I think it's going to concrete. Yeah.
Okay, well,
This one's concrete.
This one's too low because of the
Yeah.
trees. We gotta go somewhere where we don't have trees to.
How about this one? Kind of thin.
Yeah, but no trees.
Maybe go there and
Come back around again.
yeah. Oh, you won't be able to make it around there, will you? Oh, you're going the wrong way down this road here. Look.
Am I?
Yeah, see the arrow?
Well, the other one was the same way.
The arrow.
So which way? I'm gonna have to turn left here, even though it says don't.
Well, you could probably couldn't you have made
No,
that?
there's no way I can make this.
Oh. Well, now we're all just going the wrong way.
Good thing there's no one here.
Oh, watch your back. Watch the back. See, there's a rock there.
All right, we gotta go in reverse for the first time.
Do you want me to jump out?
No, it should be okay. I can see. My first time backing up.
Oh,
What was it?
branch, I think, on the roof. So now we're going the right way down these things?
Yeah, now we're
Okay.
going the right way. So we can just go.
We can go.
this one.
Sure.
Okay, for the record, it's hard to tell where the concrete is because there's snow everywhere. Yes? No?
I think it's fine.
Let's just go with that.
Yeah, park it here and go outside and take a look and see if it's like what you want. I know, that's the thing. It's like breaks every time you do it.
This is really like Christmas morning for me. Since Christmas was like, nothing this year because of COVID.
I just realized there's seatbelts here. I may be here for some of the trip.
Oh my gosh.
So this is going to be the way I travel.
So it's snowy outside and our shoes are all wet, so we're laying these boxes on the floor just so that we don't get it too dirty today. I mean, it's gonna get dirty, but does it have to be the very first night? Well, it's been a long, exciting day, but I'm exhausted and I'm out of wine. So tomorrow we move on to a harvest host in Peck, Kansas, I believe. So I'll see you then.